Welcome back to the Action YouTube channel. I'm Emma, and a fun fact about me is that I really like vanilla ice cream. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a finger knit scarf or necklace or bracelet or whatever else you want it to be. Okay, so all you're going to need to make this is a ball of yarn, a pair of scissors, and your hand. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the yarn and drape it over your hand like I'm showing here. Then you're going to weave it over and under all of your fingers. You're going to go all the way down your hand and then all the way back so that you have one loop on your finger. Then you're going to do this again, over and under. Once you're done, you should have 2 loops on the front of every finger. Now you're going to take the bottom loop and you're going to put it over the top of your finger. Now on the back of your hand, there'll be a string. You need to pull that nice and tight. Now you're going to repeat. So you're going to take the string and you're going to weave it around your fingers just like you did before. Now take the bottom loop on every finger and you're going to pull it over the top of your finger. I find that it helps if I bend my fingers. It just makes it easier for me to get the bottom loop off. Now pull the string on the back of your hand. And do it again. Weave through your fingers, pull the bottom loop off. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and pull the string on the back of your hand. This is what is going to turn it into a scarf. Okay, so one thing to be really careful of while you're doing this is not to let any of your fingers escape. This will make the scarf unravel really easily, and it will destroy all of your hard work. So be really careful to keep all of your fingers in the loops. Okay, so once you've got it to the length that you want it to be, you can do your last time and make sure to pull the string on the back of your hand, and then you're going to need your scissors now. So far away from your hand, you're going to cut the string. Please be careful with scissors because you can cut yourself. Okay, so now you're going to pass that string that you just cut through all of the loops on your fingers, one at a time. It doesn't really matter if you put it in through the bottom or the top of the loop, so don't worry about how you do it. Okay, now once it's through every single loop on your finger, you can go ahead and take them all off. And then once they're off, you need to pull really nice and tight, and you'll kind of feel it form a knot, and that's when you know it's nice and secure. Now you can leave the ends on if you want to use them to tie around your wrist or around your head or around your neck or however else you want to do it, or you can cut it off about 1 inch away from the end like I'm showing. Hi guys, I hope you liked learning how to make a finger knit scarf. Remember that you can wear it however you want, as a necklace, as a headband, as a scarf. Just remember to keep reading and learning. Bye!